Hello, I'm Matthew Putman. I'm one of the founders of Nanotronics Imaging, a company I've been working with for the last few years. I'm an applied physicist, and I have worked on image processing and image capture and applying this new type of microscope we've developed to wafer technology, inspection of defects on wafers. I was working in another company, which was a family business called TechPro, and one of our instruments was called the dispergrator, and it was just a pretty simple reflected light microscope, but it worked very quickly to image things. But it imaged them down to about 3 microns of resolution. And I had clients constantly saying, if you could go the next order of magnitude, this would be extremely useful. Well, in my naivety, I said, well, I couldn't see a reason why not. Now, I knew about the diffraction limit of light and that there was a certain point where you shouldn't be able to do this. But I wanted to dig into this with some new things that had come out. I was using atomic force microscopes where we were moving very small distances, and I was using really good scientific imaging cameras. And I thought, how can we combine these two, put some software and an algorithm that can reconstruct an image and provide higher resolution than had been seen before. So I was lucky enough to approach an advisor when I was working on my PhD to say, can I spend my time doing this? I didn't have any thoughts of a commercial product per se from it, but it was certainly a scientific interest to me. Well, we ended up selling the previous company, and so in 2008 when we sold that company, I thought, well, you know, I've done this work, at least theoretically, now maybe I should try to build a microscope and see if this thing can actually be made. And so we spent the last 2 years doing that and then placing those into customers, and it seems to be working well. We have a long way to go to get down to the types of resolution that I've dreamed of, which is down around 100 nanometers of resolution. We're at about 500 nanometers right now, but soon I hope we get there.